Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Ford GT in Pixel Car Racer. First, you'll need to acquire the correct base vehicle. The Ford GT is a premium car, so save up your in-game currency. Once you have the car, we'll begin with some essential modifications to get it ready for serious racing. This initial setup is crucial for achieving top-tier performance and a distinctive look. Next, let's dive into the engine bay. For a true Ford GT experience, consider installing a high-performance engine like the LT5 or the F1X. These engines offer incredible horsepower. Don't forget to upgrade your turbocharger and exhaust system. These are vital for maximizing power output. Finally, fine-tune your ECU to ensure your engine runs efficiently and delivers peak performance on the track. Now, let's focus on the drivetrain and suspension. A strong transmission is key. Choose one that allows for quick shifts and optimal gear ratios for both acceleration and top speed. Upgrading your differential will ensure power is effectively transferred to the wheels, reducing wheel spin. For superior handling, invest in adjustable suspension. This allows you to fine-tune ride height and stiffness for different track conditions. Finally, let's make your Ford GT look the part. Customize the body kit, paint, and decals to replicate the iconic design. Selecting lightweight wheels and high-grip tires will not only enhance its appearance, but also significantly improve traction and cornering. After all your upgrades, take your Ford GT for a spin on different tracks. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure it performs exactly how you envision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.